Hello, so today we're going to be talking about hemodynamics. Hemodynamics is the study of blood moving through the circulatory system. The different aspects of hemodynamics can range from blood flow, which is the volume of blood moving through a vessel or organ, or the entire circulatory system, to Bernoulli's principle, which outlines that as the speed of fluid increases, the pressure within the fluid decreases. There are three types of blood flows, and they are steady, phasic, and pulsative. Pulsative flow, which occurs when blood moves in a variable velocity, this is when blood accelerates and decelerates as a result of cardiac contraction. Um, and this occurs in arterial circulation. Then you have phasic flow, which occurs when blood moves in a variable velocity, and this is where blood accelerates and decelerates as a result of respiration, which occurs in venous circulation. And then you have steady flow, um, which is occurs when fluid is moving at a constant speed or velocity. There are also two other flows that we're going to be talking about, and that's laminar and turbulent. Laminar flow is flow that is aligned or parallel, and turbulent flow is flow that is chaotic, and it goes in different directions and at different speeds. There are also three forms of energy associated with blood, and they are kinetic, pressure, and gravitational. Kinetic energy is energy associated with a moving object. And then you have pressure, which is stored energy or potential energy, which is energy that has the ability to perform work. And then you have gravitational energy, which is associated with a elevated object. Stenosis is the narrowing of in the lumen of a vessel. When it comes to stenosis and the flow of blood, changes in direction as blood flows in and out of the narrow portion of the vessel and increased velocity within the stenosis. Velocity is the highest where the vessel is the narrowest. When it comes to inspiration and venous flow, the diaphragm moves downward towards the abdomen. So that means that thoracic pressure decreases, abdominal pressure increases, venous return to the heart increases, and venous flow in the legs decreases. For expiration, the diaphragm moves towards the thorax and the thoracic pressure increases, the abdominal pressure decreases, venous return to the heart decreases, and venous flow in the legs increases.